Yes, we survive another day, so may laro kami ng Sunday. No? This is the closest we've been to the finals. No? So we look at it as a really positive development for us. No? At last, nakadalawang panalo kami sa semis. But of course, Coach Chot was not coaching, and he'll be coaching in the next game. And then, well, both teams were able to preserve their players, no, for the next game. But yung third quarter, malaking bagay sa amin. I think it was really the defense that we were able to play, because first half, we found no way to contain si Calvin. Nung first half, talagang na shooting niya, maganda offense niya. We were just waiting for him to get tired a little bit. Maybe that's the time we were able to break away dun sa third quarter. Also sustained our pace. We're able to sustain our pace. So we're happy that we're able to play at our pace and still be able to preserve the win convincingly. Marami silang kulang, madaming firepower ang wala sa kanila. No? They've lost Pogoy, but I don't know, maybe they're just buying time for Pogoy, so we expect him to play in the next game. Then every time we play, we just compete. We just run what we do in practice, and if our game holds up, we win. Kung di naman, we're happy to accept the result as long as we give it our best.
Thank you, Coach. Mamo, 22.16 in the first quarter when things up for your team. With half the games in the semifinals turned out or played out as a team, and for you individually, can you say that this is like a bounce back statement game for yourself?
Not really. Siguro you can say that. Pero sa system naman kasi namin, sa system ni coaching, anyone can have a night like this. So yun din ang kagandahan ng team namin. Any given night, hindi mo alam kung sino yung magiging katabi ni coaching dito pag nalalo kami. So it just so happened that tonight, it was me. And next naman, next game namin, which is on Sunday, hindi naman din natin alam. Pero we're just trying to be aggressive. We're just trying to survive and compete.
Alright, any questions?
Ang last game kasi parang hindi ko ganda yung shooting video. Ang ginawa daw ko sa very good dressing sa defense of the game or palas.
Every night naman, di maganda yung shooting namin. I'm really not that happy still with our three-point shooting. We get a lot of open looks. We're not making them at the percentage that we want to make them. Pero na compensate namin with our running game, with our ball movement. We had 27 assists today. High scoring game. Any high scoring game, I think we will have the edge. No, if we can play fast, if they're allowing us to play at a fast rate, I think that's also an advantage for us. Pero yun din, kahit na high speed yung game namin, nasusustain namin because I think we have a longer rotation than they do. That is why I keep saying one win makes it a longer series. The longer the series, the better our chances. So, doon kami umaasa na manalo pa kami ng minsan, magga-game 7. No? At least ngayon may game 6. Sabi ko nga, we've never been this close. So, good sign to siyempre ayaw namin sayangin din opportunity na to. May chance pa naman, mahirap nga lang, pero habang may chance, we'll take what we have.
Yung mga injuries ko sa TNT is like...
Ano?
Yung injuries na TNT is like the opening run to...
Yeah, actually, it's always this way every time. When you get to this stage, it becomes a game of attrition. Matira matibay. No, kaya you have a longer rotation, it's an advantage. You have a deeper bench, it's an advantage. Talaga minsan may magbe-breakdown parang kasama na talaga lahat 'yun. No? Sana nga lang pwedeng mag-breakdown yung players mo, pero iba pa rin pag key players mo ang nagbe-breakdown. But ayun nga, we prepare for these situations. That's why you try to keep everybody ready to play. Pagka ganitong panahon, doon na nakakatulong yung ganong klaseng preparasyon.
Coach, sabi mo nga, this is the closest you've gotten to finals. Pero, di ba complacent naman mga players?
Hindi siguro. A win is a win. A chance to get to the finals is a chance to get to the finals. Baka I think we're hungrier than they are. Alam natin naghahabol sila ng Grand Slam. Pero nakadalawang championship na sila, baka pagod na rin sila, baka nagsawa na sila, di ba? Kami naman, di ba? So tignan natin.
Itong performance ba sa nalibusan yung medyo heartbreaker na nangyari sa inyo during the game. Alam natin na pa si Tano Lotana na
In a sense, siguro po. Pero lahat naman ng buong team namin, buong organization after that play, lahat sumuporta naman sa akin. So, pinadali din na kalimutan and mag-move on. Kasi sabi nga nila, series naman to first to four. And yes, so yun, buong suporta naman ng team nandun. So, napadali din naman yung pag-move on.
Coach, nagulat ka ba na mas mauna pang nasa si Coach Galvez?
Parang gusto akong i-dislodge dun sa title ko Nunahan pa ako ni Coach Chot Pero malapit-lapit na rin ako May iwas ako, pero tingnan natin, sana makaiwas naman ako.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob. Thank you.